This is a video demonstration, August 6th, on the Vitronic Soltec Delta Max. This machine is fully functional. All of the sub-assemblies have been tested. There is no solder in the pot, and without solder in the pot, you can't have all of the pumps and so forth in the solder pot. So we have them all out and cleaned. The solder pot has been tested. All of the pumps work. You'll also notice that there are manuals with this. Now I'm going to try to get us a closer look at the serial tag. Apologize, I don't have a steady hand, but hopefully you can see the serial tag. Now I'll walk around, take a closer look at the interior of the system. You'll notice that it has a flux unit, which we will actually see working, spraying water. We've taken the hood off so we'll be able to watch the fluxing mechanism work. 3 preheat sections. All preheat sections are fully functional. Here is the solder pot. Actually very clean and tested. Now we'll take a look at the screen where we have up listed the software levels. Now I'll walk around to the back side of the unit. Here's the fingers. We'll show the width opening here in a minute. Here are the pumps. Again, pumps tested, fully functional. They'll open up. Cabinetry. As I mentioned before, we've taken the fluxing unit hood off so we could actually videotape for you. And we're just spraying water. That's why we have a bucket in here. And then again the flux unit. And finally the transformer that's going to come with this system. You will see some stitched in video of us running each sub-assembly. This short demonstration simply shows that the motorized conveyor width is fully functional. We have it turned on. You should be able to see the auger screw turning. And it has reached its set point. Next, we will show the spray. Now we're going to show the spray fluxing unit. There are 2 separate nozzles with 2 separate reservoirs, so you will be able to keep a lot of fluid for fluxing resident on the system. Okay, you're going to hear a noise. It'll be the air turning on, and then you'll see the flux head start to spray. And there it is. You know, it's a fine mist. I hope that you can see it. very clean. We spent a lot of time cleaning this, and it should work great for you. In this demonstration, we're going to show that all preheats work. Right now we're pointing to our set points and then what the actual temperature is. I'm going to walk over there, take a look at our preheat while we turn each of these segments on. The noise you hear are the blowers for the convective preheat. This particular unit has 3 bottom side preheats. 2 are convective with blowers. The third is cal rod, with the top being the pulsing IR. Now obviously we have the doors open so we can show you this preheat, but we'll go back over and you should see that the temperature has begun to rise. Temperature is rising as we speak. Again, this is the solder pot right here. Since there is no solder, we cannot really show you the pumps working. We're afraid that we may do damage. Now we have turn them on. We are 100% sure that they work, and they do. If you want to see via video that they work, we can show that to you, but we don't advise it. We have tested again. They are fully functional.